And hello everyone and welcome to this MakeCode for Arcade show. A beginner version. My name is Pelly. I work for the MakeCode team and with me is Emil. And today we're going to be coding Emil. We're going to be coding a very old game, probably the first video game, I think. Pong. You know Pong?
Mm-hmm.
Pong is a fun one. You can see in the background. So we're going to close this. We just, and close that. Ooh, nope, that wasn't good. Double closing didn't work. Let's bring back the browser. So we're going to be coding in arcade.makecode.com. And that's where we're going to be doing the coding, and you can follow along. And today we're going to build a game of Pong. All right.
Yeah.
So when you're in Arcade, just go ahead and create a new project. We're not going to follow a tutorial, because we're well beyond that stage at this point. All right. Well, Emil, game of Pong. Where do we start?
We could set something in the middle and score.
Yes, we could. So let's see. Some things are kind of fixed, which is the line in the middle.
So you could have a.
But if you.
So we should first make the sprites.
Yeah, let's make sprites.
We just want.
So which sprite are you making right now?
The.
The paddle?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what we can do is we can actually change the size of the paddle. If you look in the lower left, we don't probably need 16 pixels wide. Can go down to
Like 2.
4. And press enter. There we go. And okay, let's draw a nice paddle. You're gonna go into the strict original Pong style, black and white, or you can put a bit of colors. Yeah, green. Always good with green. How about we paint the whole thing? It'll look better if it's a bit thicker.
Okay, I'm gonna. We can just finish that off.
Yeah.
And then we'll do.
Paint tool. Ooh, wow. Okay, so that's the red team.
Oh my god.
Green team.
I was doing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We want. Okay. It'll just be.
All that work for green. All right. Well, you changed your mind. We click done, and we're back into the editor. So let's give a name to this beautiful sprite. And this, who's that gonna be? No. What's his role? We know it's green.
Green team.
Okay. Well, it's left paddle.
Left paddle. Left paddle.
Paddle-y, all right. Plenty of letters. And let's position it so it should go. So this paddle is supposed to move what? Up and right, up and down. So a few things we can do on it.
We only need to set.
Yeah, we only need to set the X.
Y, the X, whatever.
Yeah.
Set my sprite.
Set the X. Yeah, that's already cool.
Left paddle-y.
And
2, 3.
It's give it
5.
some nice padding. 35, all right.
No,
maybe too much.
Too big.
10.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10. Okay. Needs to move. Let's hook it up. So if you want to move a sprite with the buttons, you can use in controller the move with buttons.
And then so we don't want it to move.
We don't want to move horizontally, so we're going to move vertically. How about we? Okay. Now try going up a lot. Okay, that's not good.
Okay.
All right.
First, kind of a bit more speed. I feel like.
Yeah. Okay.
Like
what? 150.
50, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
All right. Yeah, I kind of get the feeling of the game.
Okay, so we need to do staying screen.
Here we go. On the left paddly.
Left paddle.
All right, it looks like a Pong paddle.
You know, I think would be fun is the bounce on wall.
No,
for
because
the paddle.
it's controlled by the key, so it'll stop anyway. Yeah. Just do stay in screen. We'll do the bouncing with the ball.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we need. Let's do the right paddle.
Right paddle.
ASAP. Could have cloned the whole thing. Right paddle.
Right. Paddle.
Right paddle, and we're gonna.
I think. Oh, I almost had the same. It's almost the same.
Yeah, same spelling. Great. No, one more L. Got an extra L. So what
Yeah.
did we do? We made it 4 wide, and they were green,
Blue. No. Pink.
pink. How about we do like an outline? It's going to.
Oh yeah. Scene.
No, it's go back in the sprites.
Oh yeah.
Let's give it some kind of a little outline. Yeah, that'd be good. Like that. Oh, we got 16 colors again. Yeah, white. Yeah. No, it's not your day. Oh yeah, we can use the line tool.
Yeah.
This mouse is way too sensible. That's hard.
Okay.
All right. Well, okay. So, and because it's a brand new sprite, we need to do various things. We need to move it.
Wait 1 second. Okay, control. Because I'm gonna you finish.
Okay, you want to set one entirely and then set the other. Yeah, interleaving the block is a bit confusing. That's a good idea.
Left paddle-y, right paddle-y, and X to negative? No, 110. Right?
Well, let's see.
No, 160, 150
It's 160
minus 10,
minus 10.
so 150.
All right, this looks great. And if you want to do even more cleanup, what you could do is functions.
Yeah. Should we?
So let's create a function.
So we could just.
And just leave it there. We'll move it when we have the function. So we go into advanced. Hold on. We move out. There we go.
And you have functions.
And we create a function, and that's going to be our create left paddle. Plenty of function is great. Paddle E. Oh yeah, 2 L's. All right. Very important. And now we move all the code we added on start. I'll just move it all. Just grab everything. And move the blocks that... No, we still need on start.
Right paddle.
Yeah. And...
So we make it second function?
Yeah, we're going to make a second function.
Well, first we need to.
Yeah.
And then we make a second function.
And that's going to be create right paddle E.
Paddle. That's fine. It's fine. It's
All
fine.
right.
It's fine.
And bring those 2 blocks in. All right, let's just reorganize everything now.
We could just.
All right, so we've got 2 functions which we have to call in onStart.
Well, first I'm gonna finish the function.
Yeah, but we're gonna forget the call.
Oh yeah, we're gonna forget the call right paddle E.
There we go. And
then,
you know what? You can look on the right, and it seems that our code still runs, so we haven't completely broken it. 0, and then we want 150 here. All right.
There you go. And then we just do
testing.
screen.
Testing. All right, so if you don't, oh, that's funny.
Oh yeah, I know.
So we were using the controls from, well, we applied
It
the
could be
controls.
1-player Pong.
Yeah, it could be a 1-player Pong.
Oh.
It's
But
a
you-
2-player.
Yeah,
So you have to go at the bottom of controller
player 2.
and get the player 2 to be the controller. And as far as the keys, there's this little keyboard icon under the simulator, and you can figure out what the keys are.
So you just need I and K.
Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, perfect.
Okay, later I just want to change the sprites and then make a more different type of thing inside because you can barely see the color.
You can do the drawing later. You're going blue now.
Yeah.
Blue versus reds.
Blue and red.
Yeah, it's a good set of colors.
Kind of classic.
Also, works well for people who may have like color vision impairment.
Yeah.
All right.
That looks better.
And you know, if you have arcade buttons, you always have a set of blues and reds typically in your set of buttons. Okay, so this is great. We've got our paddles moving. Now let's start working on that
Ball.
on the ball. So the ball is going to be a new sprite. And how about we create a function of the bat? That might be a good idea.
Should we make a new ball? I mean, a new kind. Projectile?
Yeah. No, projectile is special. Let's do a new one.
Ball.
Ball. And let's create a function.
There, I don't need this.
So we're gonna be, hold on. There you go. Function.
Create.
You want me to type?
Yeah.
Ball. All right.
Well, we could just do ball.
Volley.
Ballet.
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 Balle. All right.
Yeah.
French lesson here.
It looks more. No, we could do like.
Ballet. No, ballet is something else.
No, yeah. Could be like. Balla.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure you can use special characters.
Ah.
It's not gonna be happy about that.
Okay, it's fine then.
It's fine. And yeah, you had a block hanging out there.
Create
Oh
ballet.
yeah, I'm gonna create it here.
Create the ballet.
And now.
And bring this down here.
All right.
So, we are gonna use our trusty circle tool.
Are you sure about the size? It's 16 by 16. It's pretty big. We're gonna.
4x4, 4x4. That would be kind of small.
Actually, there's some balls in the gallery if you want.
Oh, there is. Okay.
Yeah, there's some planets or some orbs. Hey, it doesn't have to be a ball. It could be. Oh, look, the coin. The coin looks good.
Oh yeah,
We could animate it.
Could animate it.
There's also the football,
I have an idea.
the villagers.
See how this guy's head looks really like a ball?
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, you're gonna raise the hands? Oh, that's clever. No, you're still in circle mode. Oh, sweet.
And I could be playing with his head while it's rolling
Alright.
around. His
Now we
skeleton.
need to reduce him a bit. Let's go back into here and see if we can.
16.
No.
I can make him smaller. I can move him.
I think first of all we have to. So we're gonna move him. Grab him. Move him to the corner. And then we can do, what is it, 8? No.
10.
Okay, let's do 16. Yes. 1, 2.
I think you can do
14.
12.
12. And,
Okay,
oh,
12.
actually, we see the coordinates here. 12. There we go. Hey,
Hi.
looks great.
12 by 12.
Super cool.
Make him more like a ball.
He's fine. I think you need. I don't think the black outline is gonna work out.
Oh yeah.
The more you're gonna paint it, the more like I think the ghost is gone by now. It looked good as a head.
There you go.
You might want to change the black to something bright because the background is black. Unless we change our background, which we could.
It's the skeleton. Skeleton.
It's skeleton
prince.
head.
It's a skeleton prince or princess.
There we go. He had headphone.
Yeah,
With headphones.
Oh yeah, he has some headphones.
Fancy ones. All right, that sounds great. Let's go back to the game and make that a. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
looks great.
I love my headphones.
Headphone ping pong.
Yeah.
All right, so we want that thing to be. I think we have space. You can keep the simulator. How do we do this bouncing thing?
Well, we need it to bounce on the walls first. But
Yeah, so it has the same screen, so it can't bounce on the top of the screen, for sure. So you want to make sure it bounces. Okay. True. Oh, we didn't rename it. Let's rename this one. It's gonna be more useful. I'm gonna go
no.
ballet.
We should call it Vibey Skeleton.
No. Okay. Skeleton ball.
Skeleton ball. Ballet.
All right. Skeleton ballet. It bounces on wall. How about we give it some kind of speed, see what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, because it has to move everywhere.
Yeah, it's moving everywhere. Okay, let's start with that. Let's see what that works. Oh, sweet. Oh, dunk, like.
Skeleton ballet.
Skeleton ballet. You have to jump and rebound. All right. Yeah, it's getting there. It's completely ignoring our sprites. Now, how do we? Okay, we want it to rebound on our pads.
So overlap.
Overlap. Yes. Overlap. So we go in the sprite section, find the overlap.
We're gonna. It's all the way at the bottom.
Yeah, don't keep the simulator because we're got plenty of space.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
And
Sprites. Let's see.
it is going to be an overlap between a sprite of kind player and another sprite.
An overlap of kind of ballet.
Ball.
What?
Okay.
I thought it was kind of ballet.
So what happens is you've got your. Hold on. Switch to the table. Table. Looks like I lost my papers. All right, so we've got here the pad. We have the ball coming in like this.
I'm trying to let people see.
So the ball has Vx and has Vy.
Okay, that's better.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Now what happens, because it's a perfect bounce, you kind of expect it to go this way, right?
Mm-hmm. But your thing is also moving?
Well, actually, okay, Vy is more like that. That means the ball is still going to have the same Vy. Vy is going to be the same. But what we're going to do is we're going to reverse Vx.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense? So it arrives here and basically does a half turn, but just on the horizontal space. All right, let's try that.
Okay.
Let's move the code up so we get more space. All right. And now we're gonna do exactly what we said we, what was this? I think I have a view for this. Oh yeah, that's our math here.
Why?
That's a brilliant math here. And let's do that. So what we want to do is when we overlap, we're going to reverse the Vx. We're going to negate it.
So
we're going to say a set sprite Vx, not just on the X. Keep scrolling down. Yeah. It's Groundhog Day here. All right, and we're gonna do VX here.
What should we do?
Yeah, you want to grab that one. And now you want to read. Yeah, VX. And now we're gonna do math. We're gonna negate it. Negate our. So you're gonna do 0 minus. There you go. And we're gonna do 0 minus the actual speed of the sprite. Oh wait. We're not changing the paddle. We're changing the ball. So this should be other sprite. There we go. So now you want this velocity x of other sprite. Nope.
Oh yeah.
You need to read it.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god. Okay, so we don't need this. I know the block. I saw it. Where is it? It's here.
We're gonna read. There you go. And VX. So we're gonna. Yes, perfect. And you know, sometimes what's really helpful is to add a little comment. And you say, okay, Vx equals 1 minus Vx. Well, 0 minus Vx equals minus Vx. I'm just adding a little comment here that explains to me what this block is doing. All right. Let's bring back that simulator and see what it does. Ooh, it's stuck at the bottom. It was bouncing. Oh yeah.
You're using you're using me.
Oh,
you
sorry.
You have to use INK.
Sorry. You use INK. I use WSD. I'm on the left. All right, it's working. It even can get stuck in the back, which is fun. Oh, did you see how it got stuck to the paddle?
No.
Sometimes it gets stuck. So there's.
We could do reverse Pong where you get points when it goes in the back.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we have a bug.
We missed the block.
We missed a block in our function.
Like you have to try to keep him behind you.
All right, so there's a few bugs here. One of them, we kind of get stuck on the. I think we need to do something else. With the. Okay, so can you go and fix the
bug?
The bug. I'm gonna go to
bug.
the. You know what the bug is?
Yeah, it's in the function. Right paddle. Oh my god. Right paddle, and we're just gonna.
Yep. All right, so coming back to our super cool physics.
Should I go into table?
Yeah.
And also you can see me playing back.
All right, so the problem is we are just too close, and then we hit this. We actually, I think the ball arrived on the side here.
I think the ball should go faster
Well, that's the other thing.
as time goes on.
Now, here's what's happening. Okay, another page. You've got your paddle, like, and it's a big fat paddle. And the ball arrives here. Uh-oh. It hits the side. So we tell it to go here to, rebound, but it's still inside of the paddle.
Oh my god.
So what we want to do is we want to push out the ball outside of the paddle.
Yeah. I'm playing one-player Pong.
All right, Emil, let's go back to the code and let's do this push out. So in the overlaps.
Well, already I want to speed up the ball.
Oh, you want to speed up the ball?
60 something?
It could speed up
Over
as the
time.
game over time.
But this is good.
It's good enough.
So I want to start. Oh yeah, that's already better.
Let's fix that edge case.
Edge case.
All right. So we're going to go into the overlaps code.
So overlap.
All right, so what we want to do, so we've changed the velocity of x, but we're also going to change the x position. And we're going to say that if you see the table, so this is the left, and this is the right of the ball. I don't know what the lighting's so bad. You're playing. All right, we're gonna say that the right of the other sprite should be equals to
the what's it called again?
To the left of the paddle.
Yeah.
And I lost Emil here. He's playing now.
Okay, I'll stop.
So we're gonna say the left of the other sprite, which is my ball.
Yeah.
No, the right of the ball. The right of the ball.
Because like that's.
The right of the ball. Yes.
Shouldn't we cover both cases, the left and the right?
Is. Oh snap!
What?
We have to. Actually, that's a great. That's a great problem because we are gonna handle the code with both.
It keeps on going under.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have different codes based on whether.
God.
Yeah.
Well, this is where the fun is. You do this on your own.
No, we're gonna do that. So if the sprite is if the sprite is the left paddle, then we can do that. So we're gonna check whether it's equal to the left paddle. Then we're gonna move the right of the. Wait. On the left paddle, we're gonna put the left side to be. Where is it? To be on the right side of the left paddle. Left, right, left. So if you're here, you want. Okay, let me see if I can pause the game. I'm gonna pause it when. Okay, so if you're here, the left of the ball needs to be the right of the paddle. Make sense?
Yeah.
So left of the ball, and this should be this. And now we do the opposite on the other side. The right should be equals to the left. All right, let's try that. Let's restart it. So now if it goes on the top, see it gets pushed out from the back. Zoom. Yeah. All right, we need a system of points.
Okay, point system.
Point system. How do we know we want a point? I mean, in Pong, what happens is
You get a point whenever you put it in their side.
yeah, if you hit the wall, then you lose a point, and also the ball restarts kind of in the middle.
We could just do whenever it hits your board, you get a point, and then there's a countdown. Make it more simple.
Oh yeah,
So you just have to hit it the most times. So if you miss it, you're at a disadvantage.
perfect. And we already have the switch there,
Yeah.
so let's add points. Let's give points. No, that was right in the overlap. No, because you're gonna have to give left paddle as player 1. That's good. You can't use that one. You need to give points to player 2. So we need to go into the info at the bottom and get the player 2 score. All right. Let's play. Really bad as this. Oh no, there we go. Oh wait,
Where's my score?
you need a score.
Oh, there you go.
Heh.
Oh, and they're perfectly synced colors.
Yeah.
And then now we just do countdown, otherwise it goes on forever.
Or we accelerate the ball. Can we add a screen effect on the start?
Sure.
Maybe the star. So we're gonna go into scene and get a
Screen effect.
screen effect. You skip them. There you go. And we on the star effect. You know what we're gonna have? Yeah, we're gonna have.
Isn't there 1 second? I like the blizzard.
Well, that's unfair for player one.
Why?
All right, that's kind of an infinite Pong game.
Yeah. What better could you want?
Add a camera shake whenever it touches the paddle.
Okay. Search.
Camera.
Camera shake.
And we're gonna find our overlaps code, and I think we're gonna be done for today with our Pong game. You put it there. I'll just put it.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't matter. The whole screen shakes, so it doesn't matter if it's player one or player two.
Let's see.
You're moving my.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Much better. Hey, we lost our effect.
What? That's.
What happened?
I might have, I don't know, kicked it, killed
Did you
it.
undo?
Probably.
All right. Well, that's our
Yeah.
game. That's a wrap. This is Pong with the skeleton headphones.
And you can make the Pong game like rules all you want. Like, you don't have to do infinite Pong.
And then once you're ready, you can play it. And this finishes this video on arcade.makecode.com. We did a Pong game today. Bye everyone, and see you in the next stream.